Mackenzie Johnston with Livestock Digital Daily, bringing you your October 17th cattle industry headlines. Brought to you by AgRisk Advisors. They help you manage your risk so you can manage your operation. With over 20 years of experience, AgRisk Advisors provides honest and transparent advice. They offer insurance solutions that help you minimize risk and maximize profitability for your farming and ranching operations. They might not be able to make it rain, but they can sure ease the pain. If you want to learn more about pasture, rangeland, forage insurance, go ahead and reach out to AgRisk Advisors. They can help you understand what PRF insurance is all about and everything it can do for your operation. Fox Business has reported grocery giant Kroger is planning to buy rival Albertsons in a deal valued at $24.6 billion. For reference, Kroger is the second largest grocery by market share here in the U.S. behind Walmart, and Albertsons is the fourth, right behind Costco. Along with shelling out billions of dollars to buy Albertsons, Kroger will also assume $4.7 billion of debt. Kroger's CEO believes the move will lead to faster and more profitable growth and generate greater returns for the company's shareholders. In order for this deal to become a reality, Kroger and Albertsons need regulators to sign off. Obviously, there's a lot of people questioning antitrust issues with this merger. Regulators will now look at where the companies have dominance and consider if they could have too much power if combined. At a time when consumers are experiencing record high food inflation, the deal is expected to be heavily scrutinized by U.S. antitrust regulators and politicians. To overcome anticipated political and regulatory hurdles, Kroger and Albertsons say they will get rid of stores in markets where they overlap. The companies plan to spin off up to 375 Albertsons stores in a standalone public company. Together, Albertsons and Kroger currently operate almost 5,000 stores, 66 distribution centers, 52 manufacturing plants, 3,972 pharmacies, 2,015 fuel centers across 48 states and the District of Columbia. The grocery store giants employ over 710,000 workers. Kroger plans to invest in lowering prices moving forward. To do this, the company plans to reinvest about $500 million towards cost savings. They will also invest $1.3 billion into Albertsons stores to enhance customer service. The deal is expected to close in early 2024, contingent on clearing regulatory approval. This update is also sponsored by Circle 5 Cow School. If you want to learn how to preg check your own cows or start AIing, Circle 5 Cow School is definitely the way to go. Here on November 4th and 5th, they're going to be down in Dresden, Kansas, hosting a school. If you're in that area, I encourage you to check them out. And if you just want to check out their schedule, head on over to their website, circle5cowschool.com. That is the number 5 in there. Or you can go ahead and just give them a follow on Facebook. Yahoo Finance has reported prolonged drought is pushing the Mississippi River's water levels to near record lows, resulting in traffic jams and stuck barges. According to the Port of New Orleans, about 500 million tons of supplies, mostly agricultural products such as corn and soybeans, are ferried along the Mississippi River every year with a trade value worth $130 billion. The Mississippi River Basin produces more than 90% of U.S. agricultural exports and nearly 80% of the world's grain exports. But all of this is coming to a standstill due to historic drought conditions, making the river untraversable for many shipping barges. According to Mike Ellis, CEO of American Commercial Barge Line in Indiana, America is going to shut down if barges cannot move along the Mississippi River. In recent weeks, 2,000 barges have been backed up along the river. Additionally, the Coast Guard warned that at least 8 heavy barges became grounded in shallow parts of the river. This could not be happening at a worse time when we also have our railways considering another strike. They are trying to come together with unions, trying to reach a deal, and the possibility of the railroads going on strike and then not being able to move products down the Mississippi River. There could not be a worse scenario when it comes to supply chain issues here in the United States. Our final sponsor for this update is the United States Cattlemen's Association. USCA, they're going to be hosting their 15th annual meeting this December 8th through the 10th down in Nashville, Tennessee. To get registered for that or to just find some more information on it, head on over to their website, uscattlemen.org. Finally, Meeting Place has reported just a week ago, JBS South America took a step back in the plant-based protein sector after announcing operations that their Planterra plant will come to a halt, but now another Brazilian meat giant is looking to take its place. Marfrig Global Foods South America will be expanding its veggie burger from Brazil to the United States through a collaboration with ADM known as Plant Plus Foods. The fake burger is expected to make its debut in U.S. restaurants by the end of this year. Something to look forward to. I hope everyone had a great weekend. You guys have yourself a great Monday, and I will be back here on Wednesday morning.